Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mouse Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to set up a VPN application called MC Net VPN. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to comment if you get any problem. I'm going to leave the comment section open for you guys to engage and interact. You can ask several questions provided that you follow the community guidelines while asking questions, because I also follow community guidelines while answering your questions. So guys, let us head over to Google Play Store, and then we are going to download this new VPN application called MC Net VPN application. Make the search bar active, and then once the search bar is active, type MC Net VPN. So guys, this is the application I'm talking about. Download and install that application in your Android device. So guys, this is the disclaimer that this tutorial is for research, demonstrational, informational, and educational purposes only. My viewers and subscribers are requested to follow local laws and internet service providers' terms and conditions. Alright, let us open this application. And once we open this VPN application, we are going to accept and allow all permissions that will be requested by this application. So after allowing the permissions, this is what we are going to do. We are going to all come right here where we have those 4 icons, step by step, beginner friendly, and then we are going to come. I'm not going to use complicated tech words. I'm going to use a simple language so that everyone can be understanding what I'm communicating. So guys, this is the only YouTube channel you're going to find where we teach creators and we don't confuse you guys. We just go on step by step. Our tutorials are much easier. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and then if you get any problem, the comment section is left open to express your ideas. So guys, we are not hiding anything. That's why we leave the comment section open. If it is not connected, just tell us, and then we are going to be seeing how we can maneuver all those issues. But it connects in all countries and you have a proof. So let us go to where we have online update, and then step by step let us wait for it to check for updates. But checking for updates requires a running data bundle. That's why I'm going to activate my Wi-Fi for a few moments, and then I'm going to then after updating like this, I'm going to disable my Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you that this VPN application is working. So guys, let us continue. We are done updating the servers. Activating or updating the servers requires a running data bundle. That's why I recently used my Wi-Fi to activate those servers. Now we are going to come where we have the auto select server right here. Then you're going to choose any of those few servers, but I'm going to keep up with the auto select server to keep up with those fastest servers. Then you're going to choose the networks right here, step by step, beginner friendly. Then you're going to come right here, I have all networks, and then you're going to choose all country. Then after you're going to connect. Give it some few moments, not even 5 seconds. It has connected successfully, and then you can check up the internet speed. But while we are checking up the internet speed, these are the troubleshooting methods if it fails to connect. If it fails to connect, guys, you can try restarting the application, clearing the app data, and then that is the app. Wow, you can try to reinstall the application. This the internet speed is about 10 MBs per second, but I don't know what is going on. For the interest of time, I sign out.